If a police officer comes to your front door and asks to search your house, or if a police officer pulls you over to the side of the road and asks to search your vehicle, or if a police officer stops you on the sidewalk and asks to search your person, politely say no. And don't be afraid to say no, because you have that right under the Fourth Amendment of the United States Constitution. It states that the right of the people to be secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated, and no warrants shall issue but upon probable cause supported by oath or affirmation, and particularly describing the place to be searched and the persons or things to be seized. That is an incredible right. So if you consent to a search of your house, car, or person, it's open season because you just waived your right. And if you have something, there's a very high probability that the police are going to find it, because let's face it, the police are very good at what they do. But in many cases, the police are going to search your house, car, or person anyway. But don't give consent. They'll try to get it from you orally. They will try to give you a written statement to sign. Don't do it. Here is why all of this is so incredibly important. If something incriminating is found, then it's my job as a criminal defense attorney to file what is called a motion to suppress under California Penal Code section 1538.5. My job is to keep that evidence out if in fact it is the fruit of an illegal search or seizure. If you did not consent and the police did not have a warrant, then the burden shifts onto the prosecution to justify a warrantless search. But if you did consent, whether orally or if you signed that waiver, then there is a high probability that whatever the police found is coming in as evidence. I always ask my clients, why did you consent to a search? And I get answers ranging from, I was scared, I was intimidated, the police officer was charming. Some people are not even aware that they have the right to say no. Just remember, you can say no and you should say no. Do not give up your Fourth Amendment right.